What? Oh my god, I can't believe I made it because this have just been an idea in my brain sitting in the corner somewhere for a while now. Welcome to Kahania. I am Aditi Kadbamna. You can call me Aditi or Adi or just Aditi is fine. Okay. It's been refreshing to just talk and not have the additional pressure of a camera in front of me. And I feel like I can talk more freely, ज़्यादा और अच्छे से बात हो पाएगी. And I think I'm a okay good communicator. I hope by the end of this pilot episode, I hope you enjoy. I hope you take away some anecdotes. I hope you take away a few of my stories that I have faced in real life. And I hope you grab some popcorn because this is gonna be a fun ride. All right, ये फर्स्ट एपिसोड है. आई वॉन्टेड टू डू लाइक अ इंट्रोडक्टरी इश वीडियो एंड पहले मैं सोची कि यार ओके 1 या 2 मिनट बात करती हूँ, बट देन आई वाज लाइक आई वांटेड टू लाइक गिव यू अ टेस्ट ऑफ व्हाट्स कमिंग अप नेक्स्ट. इवन इफ this season is like 2 episode or 3 episode long, that's fine. I've been itching, I've been craving to talk, and this is why we are here. And I have a few points I just jotted down, and you know what, we're gonna hit those points and we're gonna see where this goes. All right, we hit pandemic like मार्च 2020 में. तब मैं ऑफिस जाती थी. आई यूज टू वर्क फॉर टिकटॉक बाय द वे. एंड तब everything was sorted. We get up, we go to work, we come back. And now like अब जो मैं ऐसे बैठी हूँ, अभी मेरे सामने एक अच्छा सा डेस्क है. मेरी एक रिवॉल्विंग अभी चेयर पे बैठी हूँ मैं. ग्रे कलर की चेयर है, वाइट कलर का IKEA का डेस्क है. आई हैव अ हाईलाइटर, आई हैव अ बुक ओपन इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, आई हैव 2 टैरो कार्ड्स राइट बिसाइड्स मी, एक पानी की बोतल. ये सब देख के ना सर लग्जरी वाला फीलिंग आ रहा है. द इंट्रोवर्ट साइड ऑफ मी इज़ लाइक यार वो कैसे दिन थे, कैसा जमाना, कैसे तो यार रोज सुबह अपन 7, 6:30, 7 बजे उठ के नहा धो के खा के पॉटी करके ऑफिस के लिए भागते थे टू कैच अ ट्रेन. सो मैं मुंबई में काम करती थी बाय द वे, एंड मेरे को BKC जाना होता था. सो टू कैच द मॉर्निंग ट्रेन वॉज इवन अ मोर ऑफ अ हसल फॉर मी एवरी सिंगल डे. एंड नाउ दैट आई थिंक अबाउट इट, मैं कैसे सुबह 7 बजे उठ के नहा धो के ऑफिस जाती थी. यहाँ पे 10 बजे की अगर मीटिंग हो तो 9:55 को उठ के आधी नींद में हम मीटिंग में बैठते. I don't know, man. I genuinely don't know. I just miss the good old days sometimes. And then I also miss dating in person. Let's just be honest. Let's just be frank. The last genuine date I went on was through VR Tinder. Yes, you heard that right. I've also seen recently I saw Tinder swindler and that just gave me a panic attack. Absolute like कि भाई ऐसे लोग भी होते हैं कि किसी और के पैसे पे इतनी अय्याशी वाली ज़िंदगी जी रहे. कैसे किसी गिल्ट नहीं है, खुद का कुछ मॉरल एथिक नहीं है, फिर कैसे मिरर में देख के वो कहा और वो बंदा रियल में है, एग्जिस्ट कर. आई जस्ट कांट बिलीव इट कि वो एक्चुअली बंदा एग्जिस्ट करता है, अभी भी इंस्टाग्राम पे है और ही इज़ आउट ऑफ जेल एंड सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है. एंड सॉरी फॉर द स्पॉइलर इफ यू नॉट सीन टिंडर स्विंडर. So anyway, I was on Tinder back in 2017. This was my first like date. I've never been in like a official formal relationship or like officially formally gone on a date. So I met this guy. He seemed okay, nice, absolute nerd. He was a software programmer. I this okay, so here's the scene. मैं बर्कली में थी, कैलिफोर्निया में थी तब. एंड we chatted for a day and I asked him out. I told him, hey, why don't you come to Berkeley? मेट्रो पकड़ के आ तू, मैं तेरे को मेट्रो स्टेशन पे मिलती हूँ एंड लेट्स गो आउट फॉर अ डेट. एंड व्हाट्स फनी इज़ दैट ही इवन सेड येस. सो ये बंदा चेक रिपब्लिक प्राग के आसपास कहीं वहाँ से था. एंड we did not have a lot of things in common, but he was still a good sport. And he was like, okay, you know what, why not, sure, let's go. Like he was like an absolute like nerd, Leonard nerd from Big Bang Theory. And so here's what happened that day. I said okay. So the friends I used to hang out with were like at least 5 to 10 years older than me, and they were all, both of these ladies were looking for a guy, and they were on Tinder, and they were looking actively looking to date. एंड उनके बहकावे में आके बोलेंगे या उनके अंडर इन्फ्लुएंस में आके जो भी था, आई एंडेड अप ऑन टिंडर बिकॉज अपेरेंटली मेरी पूरी क्लास टिंडर पे थी, एंड एवरीबडी had to talk. Like it was like a point, at certain point everybody was talking about dating, being in that class. I don't know what it was like. मैं personally, I've never felt the need to go out of my way to seek a partner. I don't know, मतलब से वो फीलिंग नहीं आया है अभी तक, या कि भाई हाँ मतलब लोग बोल रहे हैं इसलिए कर रहे हैं, नॉट बिकॉज कि यार मैं एम जेन्यूनली लुकिंग फॉर वन. आई डोंट नो क्या हो गया था. सो आई एंडेड अप ऑन टिंडर एंड वी वेंट आउट ऑन अ डेट. सो हुआ ये कि मैं उसको मेट्रो पे पिकअप करने गई, एंड हियर्स द आउटफिट दैट आई वोर अ पिंक ब्लाउज. It has black paisley print on it, a pink mauve pink blouse, and like something bell bottom pant, I don't know, god knows what. And I had a crossbody, think about the ugliest crossbody bag that you can think of, and I was wearing that on one shoulder, and my hair was like half up half down in a clutch. And I went and I picked him up. His name was Skylark or something. See, let's call him, I don't know, Sky. Let's call him Sky because I genuinely don't remember his name, it's been that long. So let's call him Sky. I said hi to him, and we went and we walked like 2 blocks, like 5 minute हमने वॉक किया होगा, एंड वी रीच द पिज़्ज़ा स्टैंड जहाँ पे डेट होने वाली थी. सो आई वाज लाइक, यू नो व्हाट, आई नो दिस ग्रेट प्लेस, कम हैंग आउट विथ मी. हम पिज़्ज़ा खाते हैं. एंड आई थिंक वहाँ पे छोटा सा बार वगैरह भी था, बट बाय द टाइम हम पहुँचे थे तब बार वॉज नॉट ओपन. सो वी गॉट अ पिज़्ज़ा. अब मेरे को ये कॉन्सेप्ट पता नहीं था कि यार यू कैन बाय अ पिज़्ज़ा बाय स्लाइस. तो आप एक स्लाइस चाहिए, 2 स्लाइस चाहिए, आधा पिज़्ज़ा चाहिए, पूरा पिज़्ज़ा चाहिए, कितना चाहिए. एंड देन सो वी एंडेड अप डिसाइडिंग टू गो फॉर अ हाफ अ पिज़्ज़ा. एंड उसने पूरा पैसा दिया, लाइक $13-14 का पिज़्ज़ा था, हाफ फॉर हाफ पिज़्ज़ा. एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके. आई मतलब आई डिड इंसिस्ट यार, ओके मैं देती हूँ, आई पे फॉर द शेयर, माई शेयर ऑफ इट. एंड ही वाज लाइक नो नो दैट्स फाइन. एंड देन लाइक आई ट्राइड टू कीप द कॉन्वर्सेशन गोइंग. बंदा इतना शर्मीला था, आई डोंट नो वेदर वो शर्मीला था या वी डिड नॉट हैव इनफ थिंग्स इन कॉमन टू टॉक अबाउट, बट just so happened, okay, so we sat down bahar, outside the restaurant patios के टेबल चेयर लगे हुए थे लंबे लंबे, and they were like multiple people can sit on these long long picnic desk जैसे होंगे ना वैसे. So we sat down, we started eating, and then he at the end of the pizza, he was like, this is the best pizza I've tried out in like a really long time. And I was like over the moon, on the top of the hill, on the top of the mountain. वाह वाह क्या बात है यार, मैंने किसी को इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया एक अच्छी जगह से. मतलब मेरी तो लाइफ अकम्प्लिश, नो जेन्युइनली, लाइक नो सरकाजम इन दिस कि यार पता नहीं, मतलब जेन्युइनली नो सरकाजम, बट आई कांट बिलीव कि उसने इतना अच्छा पिज़्ज़ा मतलब पहले खाया ना हो. आई डेंट बिलीव दैट, बट ही सेड कि पिज़्ज़ा बहुत अच्छा था. एंड देन वी स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग. ओके, ओके. सो जब मैं उसको ग्रीट किया, when I met him at the metro station, ये सबसे बड़ा, मतलब ये सबसे awkward encounter रहा है मेरे ज़िंदगी का about meeting a guy. Because trust me when I say this, okay, हुआ ये, मैं उसको मिली, I waved him a hi, and then मैंने मेरा राइट हैंड बाहर निकाला to shake his hand, and he tried to go for a hug, and then we were awkwardly standing there for like 3 seconds कि हाथ मिलाना कि hug करना, हाथ मिलाना कि hug करना. It was so awkward, and it was the funniest, most embarrassing experience of my life, genuinely of my life. And I just can't believe that that even happened. This is probably because of the culture difference. Like, I did not know the guy, and like who, like, matlab, I don't know, like, would you hug a stranger, absolute stranger? Like, I just chatted with him for a day, and then I told him, like, come, let's go for a pizza or something. Like, it was just so awkward. Oh my god, that was like the first interaction with him, the handshake versus the hug. And oh god, okay, so pizza हो गया था ख़त्म, और फिर हम लोग वॉक करना चालू किए, एंड देन ही मेंशन दैट ही वांटेड टू गेट अ ड्रिंक. बज रहे थे कुछ शाम के 7. अब 7 अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 7 या 8 बज रहे होंगे, बिकॉज अंधेरा हो चुका था, आई क्लियरली रिमेंबर. एंड हम लोग डाउनटाउन एरिया में थे बेसिकली, जहाँ पे सब रेस्टोरेंट एंड लाइक सब हिप हैपनिंग जो प्लेस है, वहाँ पे थे हम. एंड सब रेस्टोरेंट्स वगैरह वहाँ पे थे. एंड I could not find a bar for some reason. Like, we walked and we walked and we walked and we walked more, and I had to pee really badly. Of course I had to pee. Of course मेरे को बाथरूम जाना था. Of course ये होना था मेरे साथ. And then he genuinely wanted to drink. He wanted to get a rum, I believe, for some reason, rum. And then once we started walking, I started confessing to him that, hey, this is like a first date for me. And like, I think he smiled at that. And then I think he just wanted some liquid courage. He wanted rum. He wanted to interact with me, but like, I did not drink. And like, I took him around. Like, I knew where this bar was, but like, it wasn't on our way जहाँ पे हम चल रहे थे. And just we went round and round, and I said goodbye to him. It was so. See, I don't drink पहले तो, and दूसरा तो मैं ऐसी चीज़ के पीछे पैसे क्यों वेस्ट करूँ. आई वॉज लाइक, ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई से दिस, आई वॉज एब्सोल्युटली ब्रोक थ्रू आउट द 2 years of living abroad. इतना ब्रोक कि आई जस्ट couldn't afford going out for a meal. So this just bar thing never just it just did not happen. And it got so awkward to a point where he was like, so then he started asking, why don't you try rum for a change? Like, why do you not try? Like, I was so, like, I got so scared. Like, एक तो I have never been drunk, and though I have never been drunk in front of strangers, so like, I don't know who I am when I am drunk पहले तो. And it's just so scary to be drunk in front of absolute stranger. Why would you want to get drunk in front of a stranger in the first, मतलब, just that, like, I get scared too easily about that. So हुआ ये कि फिर हम लोग गोल गोल घूमे, एंड देन इट वॉज टाइम टू से गुड बाय टू हिम. एंड so now another awkward moment happened here, right here. Okay, I don't want to, but I'll tell you. So now I knew the formal protocol was he would be going for a hug. I can't go for a handshake. Okay, that was the formal official protocol. So okay, I was like, ठीक है, I can do a hug. I can do that. Like, now I know him, I've seen him. Okay. And so I was like, okay, goodbye then. And we both went for a hug this time. Like, there was no ऐसे कुछ ये नहीं था, डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं था कि यार, ओ हग के लिए जाना कि हैंडशेक के लिए जाना. सो वी बोथ वेंट फॉर अ हग. एंड we hugged each other. And the hug lasted a little bit too longer than I anticipated, and it got too awkward for me. I have no idea what it was like for that person, but just felt the hug was a bit too long. And that's where I was like, okay, oh my god, okay. And like, I don't know. I don't know. I just like now that I think about it, looking back on it, I think about it, I just want to laugh out loud like a mad person because like I did not expect the hug to last that long, but it just so happened that it did, and I was like, okay, छोड़ नहीं रहा है ये बंदा, छोड़ नहीं रहा है, अब तो छोड़ दे गला. And then finally he was like leaving, and I said bye, and then I ran away like crazy. I was like, boss, मेरे को घर जाने दो. Mummy. I went back home. I slept through the night, and I knew I didn't like it, just didn't click for me. Like I did not like give this person a chance. And I knew it might not work out. Like I knew deep down it won't work out for me. And the date was like very okayish. Like it wasn't that bad. But then like I did not have any expectation of hearing back from this guy. But he did reach out to me, and he was like, हाँ चल movie के लिए चलते हैं. And I never responded back to him. Like that was like I ghosted him completely. Like it wasn't like यार मैंने उसको हाँ बोला है, okay चल movie के लिए चलते हैं, और मैं movie theater में नहीं आई हूँ. But he did ask me out, and I never ended up like responding to him. And that was my first proper date. And you know what, it wasn't that bad. Like I totally like hyped up what official first dates are supposed to look like, but you know what, it was pretty fine. He was a cute nerd, and I had decent like awkward funny moment. But yeah, so that's my story about first awkward date, and I hope you enjoyed it. This is Kahania. If you have a story to tell, if you want to chat with me, leave me an email. I'm going to be linking all of it in the description box. So come check it out. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Until next time, you guys. Aujo.